First is there is an MCI drill.
Fairfax County 911, where is your emergency? Okay, what's your address? Is that a single family home?
EMS 404, Channel 4, Bravo, Box 423.
Okay, is he conscious? Is he breathing normally?
54-year-old male, unconscious, not breathing normally.
Okay, we need to do CPR and I will tell you how. Is your front door unlocked? Okay, listen carefully. I want you to get him flat on his back. You're gonna put the heel of your hand on the center of his chest.
3904 Prosperity Avenue.
Okay, good job, you're doing great. I'm gonna count with you, okay?
Time 2018.
If he begins to breathe normally, I want you to tell me immediately. 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's them. I want you to keep doing the compressions. And when they come inside, they're gonna take over, but I want you to keep going. 5, 6, 7. It sounds like they're with you. Do I hear them? Okay, I'm gonna let them take over. You did a great job. Okay,